in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove your ads on Twitch. Removing ads on Twitch can get very annoying when you are trying to watch a stream. So to remove that, what you need to do is go to your other tab and then search for stream block. After you, stream cleaner. After you search for stream cleaner, Google Chrome web store link will pop up. Then go to that link and then you'll see a stream cleaner add to Chrome extension. Now add to Chrome and then just add extension. After you add the extension, you'll be able to access it through here. As you can see, my extension's already been enabled, so let's just open it. Now, as I said, access it through here, open this and then enable AdBlocker. After you enable AdBlocker, be sure to go to your Twitch, reload the Twitch, and then let the AdBlocker do its magic. Now you will be free from all the ads on Twitch. Let's just open some streams and then there you go, no ads. You can stream as much as you want and this stream blocker will not run out. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like at the video. Bye bye.